Courses in the cement industry. Present to you. Friends of the Courses in the Cement Industry channel. In this video we will explain, and watch the video from site. Steps to replace rotary kiln shell sections. The shell is the driving force behind many of the problems that arise in a rotary kiln, and these problems are typically caused by what are commonly referred to as doglegs, red spots, and hot spots. Sometimes red spots and hot spots are the root cause of a dogleg, and other times they are not. Shell irregularities, be it out of roundness, or a crack in the shell, precipitate a wide variety of issues. All of these issues have detrimental effects on the ancillary equipment. They range from cyclically loading rolls and frames causing hot bearings or frame failures, wobble in tires leading to convex tires,